How to enable or disable contacts trash on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. And from here, tap on contacts. Now in contacts, go back to the main contacts page. And then tap on the more button at the top. Now go down, then tap on settings. After that, we scroll down and then tap on trash. Tap on the toggle button to turn off contacts trash, then tap on turn off. Otherwise, you can tap on the toggle button to switch it on. Once this is turned on, you can keep deleted contacts for 30 days. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, or tap on the back key to go back to your contacts list. Finally, tap on the home button. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.